Respected Honorable Chairman, Dr. Jayaprakash sir, and young and dynamic leader and innovator for IIBS, and today's invitees, Subhash Rajamane sir, Prabha Shankar Premi, and B.R. Venkatramana sir, and our distinguished director, Mr. Mahesh Reddy sir, and today's invitees and my colleagues, friends, and IIBS family. Good morning, one and all present here. Basha Sangama 2. Basha Sangama 1, we done in 2018. We conducted a seminar, 2-day seminar, a national conference on Basha Sangama 1. We invited different faculties, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, English. We conducted a grand success around more than 60 research papers we received. They given insights of their knowledge in different languages, and we thought that we have a old literature, even though we are not exchanging between the languages. We want to exchange the culture and language. In IIBS itself is many languages there in the campus. Suppose me as a management teacher, even though I love my mother language, Telugu, I am good at in Telugu. And I learn Kannada. I know Tamil, little bit I know Hindi. The South Indian is the biggest advantage. We can mixture of all the languages. Suppose my English professor will speak, his mother language is Kannada, but is an English teacher, is a multi-language. In Hindi, he can good at in Telugu, Hindi, Sanskrit, and we have that professionals in Kannada. He is an English, good at in computers, and Kannada experts. We thought that these resources can be used and give a help to the Kannada. Suppose other languages we want to convert into the Kannada, English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, like the languages we want to bring into the Kannada. Then Kannada, we have a very good language. 2000 years back onwards, we have a nice literature that still some Kathagalalla convert agilla. We want to convert into the English. We want to promote Kannada culture to the nation and international level. That is the main theme we started Basha Sangama 2. ಉದಯವಾಗಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚೆಲುವ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ಎಂದು ಹೊಲಿಯಗೋಳ ನಾರಾಯಣರಾವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಂತ್ರ ಕಣ, ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕಣ, ಬಂಡಿ ಕಣ, ಚಂದಿ ಕಣ, ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಕಣ ಎಂದು ಕುವೆಂಪು ಅವರು ನುಡಿಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷಾ ಸುಮಾರು 2000 ವರ್ಷಗಳಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಭಾವಾಂತರ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಸುಮಾರು 1300 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಭಾಷಾಂತರದಿಂದ ಪುಷ್ಪವಾಗಿದೆ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹು ನಾಟಕಗಳು ಬಹುಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತರ್ಜಮಾ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪಂಪ, ರನ್ನ, ಪೊನ್ನ, ಬಸವಣ್ಣ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಕ್ಕ ಮಹಾದೇವಿ, ಕುವೆಂಪು ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಪ್ರಬಂಧಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ತೆಲುಗು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ವೇಮನ, ಗುಡಜಾರ, ಅಷ್ಟದಿಗ್ಗಜ ಕವಿಗಳು, ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯ, many more authors in Telugu also converted into Kannada, some other languages. I am good at in Telugu. I will share some national literature for Gudajara Apparao. ఏ దేశమేగిన ఎందు కాలీడిన ఏ పీఠమెక్కిన ఎవరేమనినా పొగడరా నీ తల్లి భూమి భారతిని నిలుపురా నీ తల్లి నిండు గౌరవము. దేశమును ప్రేమించుమన్నా, మంచి అన్నది పెంచుమన్నా, వట్టి మాటలు గట్టి పెట్టోయ్, గట్టి మాటలు తలపెట్టవోయ్, దేశమంటే మట్టి కాదోయ్, దేశమంటే మనుషులోయ్. We want to create the energy for the nation, for young youth. These are the statements to create a kick and energy. Suppose I don't know how many languages you know about the country. Desamante matti kadoi means is not a mud. This is a country is full of population. Simply the politician what they will say is not a saying. You want to do something for the society. Like that this statement is given. And Yogi Vemana. Yogi Vemana also is a literature relating to the existing the society, what is the problems, and each poem giving the solution for the society problems. అల్పుడెప్పుడు పల్కు నాడంబరముగాను, సజ్జనుండు పల్కు సల్లగాను, కంచు మ్రోగినట్లు ಕನಕಾಂಬರము ಮ್ರೋಗುನ ವಿಶ್ವದಾಭಿರಾಮ ವಿನುರವೇಮ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಥರ ಯಾವ ಪೋಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಭಾಷೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಭಾವ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದೇ. ಆ ಭಾವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಈ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಅನುವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್ ತೆಲುಗುದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಂದಮಾಮ, పెదరాసి పెద్దమ్మ, పాతాళ భైరవి, బేతాళ కథలు, తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ కథలు, ಕಬೀರು, ಪಂಚತಂತ್ರ, ಅಕ್ಬರ್ ಬೀರ್ಬಲ್, ತುಳಸಿದಾಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ಕಥೆಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಅನುವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಭಾಷಾ ಸಂಗಮ 2 ಅಂತ. ಈ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ, ಕಲ್ಚರು, ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್. More than 100 languages is there. Many languages don't have a lipi. A few languages we have a script. And Indian government is recognized 22 languages for authorizedly in the constitution. In that majorly we are following around 26% of the population we are following with a Hindi language as a mother tongue, and followed by the Bengali is the second highest language speaking in mother language, around 8.5, followed by Marathi, Gujarati, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada. In top 7 all South Indian languages are there. That is the reason we can say that Dravida languages together as a second language, consider the highest speaking Bengali and Telugu language is coming to the picture for the talking in India, highest population. Means we want to convert into this language. Many people get advantages in South India, particularly suppose the English literature coming to the Kannada. We know the foreign authors and Indian authors like Mulk Raj Anand, R.K. Narayan, like that literatures and all we want to convert into our languages. This is the main theme. Suppose what is the advantage to convert this? The cultural exchanges, different, each story is giving insights, the part of the life or the lifestyles of the people, or the culture or the society, or emotions, the sentiments, a relationship, brothers and sister relationship, and friendship relationship, and humanities, how we want to behave. Everything we can learn with these short stories. Suppose in the Karnataka, if you see that, very negligible people knows both the languages, suppose English and Kannada, and Hindi and Kannada, like that. Is not exchanging much. Very few people can study the English, they can understood, and Hindi can understood. This workshop will help 100% who are the literature, or they can enjoy the culture diversity, and they can exchange the knowledge between the languages. There is no is a good language, there is no as a bad language, We don't want to promote like that. This workshop is a main theme to promote all the languages together with the culture of India. There is a great culture compared to the foreign languages. Indians have a diversity of languages, culture. This we want to be promote. That is the main theme of the workshop, Basha Sangama 2, Anuvada Karyagara. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity, for introducing the theme, and I will hand over to the next discussion. Thank you very much.